Well, hello. It's been a long time. I missed you guys like so much. Like I really did. I missed the whole YouTube thing. How you guys doing? I am like happy to be back. I'm back with some news. I'm back with undone nails as always, but I'm back with some great news. New situations, new open doors, and can't you just see my glow? Like I'm just super happy, like I'm just super happy. Hitting the gym, been losing those pounds. Do you know what I mean? Like good things just be popping all over, like pop, 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 pop. But yeah, I'm really excited to be back. Like I said, I missed the whole setup. I missed talking to you guys on the camera. I missed interacting with you. But it's because I was stir fried, like a stir fry. I've been cooking up some things in Ray's kitchen. But yeah, before I get to that, before I get to the big news, let me just say what else has been going on with me. Like I said, I've been joining the gym, which I want to start recording my gym sessions. I want to like up my social media game. Like I need to sort out, I want to do more YouTube videos, and I know I say that every time I come to the every time I come to meet you guys, but I really actually want to, like my desire is to actually do YouTube videos, but I don't end up doing them because I lack ideas, and I just lack direction in where I want to take this YouTube thing. But now I kind of know that my heart will always be in the hair division, and not just any hair division, pop hair culture. Yes. But yes, yeah, so that's what I really want to do. I want to focus on more hair stuff. Yeah, like, and I want to up my Instagram game. I need to take more photos because like my heart is for my plus size ladies as well. Obviously I love everybody, but like I feel like I wanna my hair really shit. But yeah, I really wanna like reach out to my plus size girls more. I wanna post more fashion photos and stuff like that, because the reason why I want to is because it means so much to me, in the sense that when I was trying to change my style, I had some people to look at. I had I mentioned it in my past video about how to dress for your size. I found people on Instagram, people like Brie, Candice from the Westbrooks, and her, like she really like made me feel like, she let me know that there are clothes that I can wear while being plus size. And I feel like, because I've learned that, I should share what I've learned. Do you know what I mean? There's always someone to share with, there's always someone to help, and I feel like I want to make people feel good to be plus size. I don't want them to feel like they are deprived of wearing anything they want to wear. I want to be free, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I want to post more pictures in that area. What else do I want to do? Yeah, I just want to boost them. I think that's out, like, and apart from that, I've been going to the gym because I want to be healthy. I want to lose some inches. I still want to be team thick, don't get it twisted. I ain't part of the itty bitty cute crew. Like, I love my itty bitty piggies. Not itty bitty piggies, I love my itty bitties. But I'm always going to be team thickums. So I just want to get healthy. I want to lose more weight, but still team thick. But yeah, so I've been hitting the gym. I want to post some videos about me about exercising in the gym. Do you know what, guys? Let me just say, like, I feel like sometimes I forget. Like, when I'm not on YouTube, I forget how much I do enjoy it. Like, now I'm loving it. I'm loving it, even though it's not live, so I'm not getting any reception back. But do you know what I mean? Like, it's just nice interacting with you guys. I just wanted to say that I love you guys. Like, I love the ones that I do talk to, and even the ones that don't talk to me. I love you too, boo. I love you too. So I've been hitting the gym. I want to post more videos on my journey. The guy who works at my gym, he did all of the work with me in terms of like getting videos out there and stuff like that, so I can inspire some other people. And I'm really enjoying it, which I want to thank God for, because not everybody enjoys the gym, and I didn't used to like the gym at all. And I feel like God's just brought me to a place where I used to pray like, Lord, please let me enjoy working out, so I would just do it. Like, it's literally like the biggest thing to me. Like, you don't have to do workouts you don't enjoy. Don't let anyone make you feel like, oh, if you want to lose weight you just have to do it and like suck it up. No. Speak to the Lord and be like, Lord, I want to enjoy the gym. If I'm going to do it, I want to do it with you. And when you do things with God, He always exceeds your expectations. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be posting things about that. But yes, say to the news. I recently launched my website. I started a hair company. I started pop hair culture some time ago. Like, I've had pop hair culture for hold on. So I started pop hair culture some time ago, and I started pop hair culture some time ago, and I started it actually with my sister. And then, so we started it together, and then she decided that she doesn't want to do that. So she's doing her own thing, because she's actually a author. Sorry, she's an author. She's a, you know, people who write. She's an author. She's a writer. So that's what she does. So she wanted to move away from that. But with me, I loved hair. I love hair. Like, my passion for it was still there. But I left it for a while, went over to study, like, do other stuff. I focused on my music, and I did, I went to chef school, and then I felt like my heart was just pointing me back to pop hair culture. So now I'm here, and I fully launched pop hair culture. I have got my website finally, and it is www.pophairculture.com. You'll see it here somewhere. I'm gonna put it somewhere. You know when YouTubes do it, it's gonna be here. You know when YouTubers say things like, oh, it's gonna be up here, it's gonna be up there, it's gonna be down there. Don't know where it's gonna be, but it's gonna be somewhere. But yeah, and I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. So you can just go onto it. I would advise you guys to look at it on a laptop, a PC, a desktop, or your MacBook, because the visuals are just so great that they need to be seen on a nice screen. There's obviously a mobile version, but it's not as popping as the real deal. But yeah, look at it, and I really put my heart in it. I put my soul in it. I really thank God. I really prayed for a great name for the company, and the Lord just gave me the perfect name for it. Well, He gave me Pop, so I named it Pop Hair. And then my sister was like, how about Pop Hair Culture? My sister Beast Nature was like, what about Pop Hair Culture? And I was like, Bob's your unk. That's what I called it. So I was really happy about that. God's hand has really been in it. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. I'm always wearing it. This is obviously Pop Hair Culture Unlock. Specializing in version hair. I'm also wanted to bring in making wigs and things like that, but at the moment I sell bundles, frontals and all that jazz. But later on I will start doing a whole build a wig situation, so you can create your perfect wig and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really happy, and I feel like I'm doing what I really want to do. I really want to incorporate it with my social medias, so you will see more of me on YouTube, because I feel like I want to come back and just really get down and dirty with the fans. Like, really just want to get down with the fans. But yeah, that's me. That's a bit of me, that is. I'm pretty much, that's what it is. That's it from me, guys. Check out Pop Hair Culture. Subscribe to my channel. Follow my Pop Hair Culture page, my business page, at Pop Hair Culture. Follow us on Facebook, Pop Hair Culture UK. Follow my Instagram, my personal one, Rainy. I've changed it, it's not Ray of Sunshine anymore. I'll change it in the description. It's Rainy, REIIGNY. Couldn't even spell my own name, had to think about it. But yeah, go check it out. I love you guys as always, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.